Hey you, welcome back. This is just a day in my life, one of many, and I'm bringing you along to see what happens. So far nothing exciting. I had a shower, I washed my hair. Well, that is exciting because my hair was pretty dirty, so it's nice that it's clean now. I've had a very relaxing morning. I just woke up. Oh, that's not true. Why am I lying? I've not had a, well, I've had a relaxing morning, but I didn't wake up in a relaxing way. Like the builder guy across the street pounding on the ceiling tiles of the balcony across from me was not how I wanted to wake up today. So I woke up angry. Let that anger just like ruminate for a little bit. And then I was like, okay, Emma, you can have a good day. This does not determine your day. So I had a shower, washed my hair, made some breakfast, made a coffee, listened to a podcast, did some journaling, and just had a class, about to have another class, so I gotta go. But I thought I would quickly try and film an intro, and I don't actually have plans today yet, so I know I'm working until 2, and then after that I have no idea what's gonna happen. So we're going through this together, me and you. Okay, I'll see you soon. I'm honestly not even sure why I try to make YouTube videos. Like, I just totally forgot that I was doing this. I just made my lunch. This is what it looks like. I feel like I should have shown you the process of me making it, and that's not happening because I just remembered that I was recording my life today. I'm actually really low on fresh vegetables right now, but thankfully I had chickpeas and cauliflower in the freezer. So I just roasted them up with some veggies that I had lying around and used some leftover hummus to make the dressing. And it's pretty great. I got some seeds in there too from omegas, some nuts. Honestly, trying to be a bit more intentional about eating the right foods because I have not been eating the right foods, and I can feel it in my body and in my mind too. Like, I just don't feel as good as I normally do when I'm looking after myself and eating well. So I'm being very intentional about that right now. So I'm just gonna eat my lunch and then I'm gonna go have a coffee with some friends, so I'll take you along. So I thought I would show you guys my outfit before I leave. This is just a like strapless top from Zara originally, but I got it secondhand for like, I don't know, 3 or 4 euros. And then I got these shorts, which are incredible, the other day for €1.50. What? €1.50? They're so cute. I love them. And then I have on my leopard socks with my leopard Vans. And this, my shorts say sport. So I figured I should honor that and go do some sport. So I'm gonna skate into town and have a coffee with my friends. And I'll see you later.
ました。